Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this curl I crimped my hair. Isn't this so freaking cute? Yes, and it doesn't even take that long. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So if you want to learn, just keep watching. Okay, so let's start. I already straightened my hair off camera. My hair is not straight, it's wavy. So I did that because I do like to have it a bit straight when I start doing the crimping. So I'm going to be using this bedhead wave machine. This is what we're going to be using today. And as you're going to be able to see, I do this real quick and it looks really cute. So we're going to start off by, I'm going to section this piece first, and I already put heat protectant. You want to make sure you put some heat protectant on your hair and make sure this part goes up. So, and you're gonna put in there and leave it for a few seconds. And then you're gonna go into the other part. And the other part. So you get to the bottom. And with your little waves. And that's it. Look, it looks funky right now, but trust the process, people. Trust the process. So then you're gonna grab another piece and repeat the same thing. As you can see, I grabbed kind of big pieces because I don't have much hair. You hold it. Just be careful because this part right here is pretty hot. I'm going to do the same thing. I love using this crimper because it's so quick and fast and your hair looks like well put together. So, you're gonna see how fast we're gonna do this. Just depends on how much hair you have. See? Okay. Now we'll grab another piece. Do the same thing. So I saw this picture of Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner, and they had curls like this, these waves, and I was literally obsessed. I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate that look. And your girl did, and you could too. This crimper I bought at Target. I believe it was $25, so they're not expensive. And trust me, you're gonna love how it looks. You see? Ooh, yes, we are ready in there. I'm gonna grab another piece. So you're gonna do that piece by piece. Oh. Same thing again. See, almost done with one side. Oh. Coming apart right there. So this, like I said, this look is very simple. It doesn't take too long. Okay. So, okay. One piece right here is trying to sneak in. Oh, we're gonna grab that piece. I remember back in high school, these curls were in too. Everything's coming back in. Everything back when I was in high school. It's not that long ago, okay? See? Like, look how cute that looks. Wavy, straight. Kind of shrinks a little bit, but not that much. Let me grab another piece. Like I said, you don't have to grab big pieces. I do because your girl don't have that much hair. And then my hair's thin, so. Look how cute. Yeah. So we're just gonna repeat this process till we do our whole entire hair. So ooh, yes. I'm gonna grab that last piece right there. And I'm telling you, we're like done with one side. The only downside about this crimper, I mean, it does the job and everything, but your arm does get a little bit tired because it's a little bit big. See? So after a while, your arm does get a little bit tired, but hey, for what you want it for, it does the trick. And look how cute. Okay, like, yeah, what you think? Then we move to this side, do the same thing. I mean, your hair does shrink a little bit, but not as much. Grab another piece. Oh, I do. I love them. I love these type of curls. I'm looking all glamorous now. Went from straight to wavy. Peace. So I'm not even gonna forward this video. I want you guys to see how long it takes me to actually do this. So right now we're at 10 minutes. You can see I'm putting my hand down. I mean, it's not that bad though. I can handle it. So this crimper does get to like, I believe it's like 475 degrees. So it gets pretty hot. So just be careful. I mean, you can set it lower, but I set it on the highest one because I do like my curls to look super wavy. And plus, that's why I put the heat protectant. And I actually use this heat protectant by August. I use this heat protectant. So that's why I'm able to use it in the highest setting. You always want to make sure you use heat protectant, whether you're blow drying your hair, straightening your hair, curling your hair. It's just because heat is so damaging to the hair. Look at that, we are almost done. You gotta have one more piece. How fast that is. We love anything that's gonna be quick and easy. See? Look. And then we're just gonna, once we're done, just get a little bit more. I'll show you right now. I'm already done. And that took us 14 minutes. Okay. So you see how cute that is? Super cute. And I do like to just, I don't like my hair to be super flat, so I do like to run my fingers through it to like separate it a little bit. Oh, I think we're missing one. One is trying to sneak in. I see ya. Where'd you go? You're right there. Okay. You're just trying to sneak without me. You are not getting away. So there it is. Just separate it. And then after that, hairspray. Use the rest of my hairspray and a little bit, not too much. No. Okay, and that's it. Oh my god, I am loving it. You can also wear it to the side. Yes. who is she? I don't know. But yeah, look at how cute. Side, you can even flip it to the other side. I like this side though. So yeah, that's how you get this crimp look with this tool. I love this tool. As you can see, I took 14 minutes and voila, you are done. Look how cute. Super cute, super wavy. I love it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias. I have Instagram. I have TikTok as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys all on my next video. Bye.